Hello, it's Pete here, and the moment has finally arrived. We are launching the Switch Plus electronic machine. I know this is a machine a lot of you have been waiting for such a long time. We are launching this first to market on Create and Craft. Now, Friday at 12 noon, that's Friday, January the 28th, and also at 6:45. Then the next day, Saturday the 29th, we will be on at 10:30 and also 3:45, which means I'll be back in time for tea. Now, all of these cards that you see were all made using the kit that comes with the machine. And of course, as I said, it is an electronic machine. Look at this lovely soft opening door. Isn't that gorgeous? You've got some storage here for your dies or all your favorite tools, and it's just a single switch. That's all it is. If you're used to Sizzix machines, if you use the Big Shot or the Foldaway or the Express or the Plus, then this will be second nature. It's so nice to use. It's so calming the way that it draws it through, but I'm not going to show you it in action. You're going to have to come and join me on Create and Craft. That's this Friday and Saturday, January the 28th and 29th. I shall see you there. Bye.